Remember the 12,000 masters who gathered on the sacred mountain in our last episode? Among them was a legendary lineup of the Buddha's most famous disciples. The wisest, the ones with supernatural powers, and even the Buddha's own biological son. They were truly an all-star team of the Buddhist world. And it wasn't just men. Thousands of female practitioners, nuns, including the Buddha's foster mother and his former wife, were also there to hear this profound teaching. This gathering was open to everyone seeking the truth, regardless of gender. To top it all off, another 80,000 Bodhisattvas appeared. Bodhisattvas are the ultimate heroes of compassion. They are beings who have vowed, "I will not just save myself. I will save every single person in this world." These 80,000 heroes possessed an unshakable mind that never gives up, and the power of eloquent speech to inspire others. 12,000 masters and 80,000 heroes. Before this unbelievable audience, what exactly is the Buddha going to reveal? The story is about to unfold in ways beyond our imagination.